Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on. It is our holiday elf giveaway collab with Samantha Sweets. The link will be down below, so definitely check it out if you have not already. It does end on Thanksgiving. The winner will be announced on Black Friday. But today we have the November 2020 Boxy Momma. I love this box so much. It is always so amazing. I absolutely love the owner. Her name is Sarah. She is phenomenal. She's just a wonderful human being. But she comes up with the most amazing themes and finds the products that just nail it. Like, she just does a fantastic job, and it's always with some humor and support and everything. And as a mom, we need humor and support. So I just love this box for so many reasons. Here it says, treat yourself. To one amazing mama, and then mom life is hard, you deserve this. So I just, like I said, I love her. She has always been amazing. So I want to also say thank you, Sarah, for sending me the box. I do greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Boxy Momma. All right, so I have it pulled up here on my laptop. I'm going to read you some of the information just to kind of give you an idea if you have not seen one of these unboxings before. Plus, she's had quite a few little changes with the box and some of the features now that are available. So I want to give you guys the most up-to-date information. So I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. All right, so it says, for the mom just trying to keep her head attached. Mom life is tough, especially these days. Each month features an awesome themed care package, thoughtfully filled with fun, fabulous, practical, and sometimes sweary items to help you through motherhood. Perfect for moms who can't poop in peace and deserve a reward just for them. And it says if you are gifting it, they do have a personalized printable certificate to let the recipient know, to let mom know that it's on the way. And one thing I love is that a portion of all sales are donated to charities, and they're like postpartum charities, things like that. I just think that that is amazing. I think it's a wonderful cause to give back to. Every box includes self-care items to help with cleaning, organization, and stress, as well as remind mama she is amazing. Now you're going to get 5 to 7 goodies to bring some extra fun and joy to motherhood. There is a group on Facebook, and that is actually a group for support, so socialization and sneak peeks. So let's go ahead and see. So what she has now, and I think this is really awesome, is she has started shirts. So you can get the box you can get it as low as $37.50. You can get just the shirt for $15, or the Mega Mama box, which is the shirt and the box with all the goodies, from around $50 a month. So there are some different options. The shirt, one of the shirts I got one time when I think it was the very first shirt, it's said laundry today or naked tomorrow. So they're going to be quirky, fun shirts with sassy sayings, and I think I think that that's just fun, and they're also going to relate to real life. So, you know, it's just a great box. So let's get in here and see what we got for November. Move my laptop out of the way. All right. I got my little box cutter. So let's see. All right, so when you open it, there is always a product card information sheet on top, and it does give you the retail value, which I love, plus obviously information about the items. And there's always a little card in here from Serum. So she says, "Hey Mama, I feel like I say this every month, but I'm not sure how we are already here at the end of the year. This year has especially flown by. It's obvious with all the extra chaos the world has thrown at us, and now the holidays are here. Time is going to fly even faster. We have even more responsibilities added to our list, and so much more to shop for. I hope this month's goodies are able to help you get in the shopping spirit and ready to shop till you drop in my Rafiki from Lion King voice. It is time." I don't think I said that like Rafiki, but you know. "I can't stress it enough. Make sure you take time for you. Even if it's just 5 minutes, look at your phone, have that snack, take an extra long shower. You deserve all of that and so much more. For you are the rock star that makes the holiday season happen. Happy November, Mama. You deserve it. Love, Sarah." I just love her, y'all. This theme for November 2020 is Shop Till You Drop. And we have our sneak peek for next month. And the theme for December is So Elfin Tired. So that is so true. And it looks like she is doing, again, the 12 days of giveaways. So that will be on Facebook and Instagram. So definitely head over, follow her on Instagram and Facebook. It is Boxy Momma Co. So Boxy Momma, BOXYMOMMACO. And try and win a box if you don't go ahead and sign up for one. And, well, it's not a box. It'll be products. If I remember like how she did it last year, you get like different products over the 12 days. So let's go ahead. This is what this looks like. It says Happy Mail. We all love Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail. It's the best. So let's get this open. And we will take a look. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, okay. I'm excited. Just with a glance, I'm excited. Let's see if it says anything here. Let's see. Okay, now this is actually really awesome. If you're a current subscriber, you can upgrade to the Mega Mama box for only an additional $8. So instead of paying the full price that a new subscriber for the shirt and box would pay, you would only have to pay an additional $8 every month to receive the t-shirt. So that's really awesome. Let's go ahead and get in here. So there's a bonus, and it's a tea, and I've had this tea before. Not this particular flavor, but this brand, and y'all, it's awesome. It's called Zest Tea. This is a cinnamon apple, which is probably going to just be amazing, but it has as much caffeine as coffee. So this is just a bonus that she threw in here. So the tea is fantastic. And as a bonus item, there is no retail value because it's just an extra. All right. So let's go ahead. I see something here that is obviously perfect to go along with our tea. And that is what feels like a very, very nice mug. It's a travel mug for your coffee or your tea or your Pepsi or whatever your little heart desires. But it has one of my absolute favorite sayings and what is 100% true for this mama. And it says, "This mom runs on caffeine, wine, and Amazon Prime." So yes, yes, and yes. This is valued at $16. It says travel mug. Every mom needs a fun travel mug. Perfect to keep your caffeine in while doing your running around the season. This cute mug is from About Face Designs. So $16, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and then this is super cute. Like, oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is like a clutch. And it's not furry, but it is furry, but it says, "You've got this." Wristlet, not clutch, wristlet. When you get a chance to sneak away without the kids or just don't feel like dragging around a purse, a wristlet pouch is a great replacement. Perfect size for just a few credit cards and your mask. The strap makes it easy to carry on your wrist. This is from Primitives by Kathy, and that is valued at $17. I love this. I think this is amazing. It is the perfect size for your cards and ID and a mask, maybe even a chapstick or something, hand sanitizer. Love it. Love it, love it. We have got a face powder. This is from Olga's Organics. It's a translucent loose face powder. So there is, you can see it there. This is valued at $32. It says, with the holidays upon us, I wanted to include some nice facial powder for those days you get all pretty and pizzazzed. This translucent face powder is from Olga's Organics. As it says in the name, the product is all organic and it smells amazing. It's perfect for preventing shine and just gives a nice finishing touch. If you aren't into makeup, it makes a great stocking stuffer or gift for the holidays, but I sure hope you like it for yourself. So there is that, and it looks like to go with it, we have got a really cute little kabuki brush, also from Olga's Organics. This is $20. A perfect brush to go with your facial powder. Made from vegan fibers and a bamboo handle, because bamboo grows 25 times faster than other wood, so it's more sustainable. It's super soft too, and it is, like I said, also from Olga's Organic, and it is so soft, y'all. Like, it is such a soft brush. This is perfect for translucent powders. So, yay! All right, and then we have got, this is from Earth Harbor. This is a superfood luminous ampule, sea greens, and cannabis sativa hemp. This is $32. Let's face it, this time of year is extra stressful. Our face takes on a lot of the weather changes on top of the added stress. Treat your face to some extra TLC with this awesome facial serum from Earth Harbor. It makes your skin feel so soft, helps clear up breakouts, and brings a luminous glow back to that beautiful mom skin. This is made with hemp but does not have CBD or THC in the formula. All ingredients are included on the backside of this page. So here it will go over everything that is in the facial serum. Okay. Oh, and it's just really pretty. It's green. And I've had something from this brand before. Superfood. Sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp. It actually smells really fresh. Okay, just a little here. I want to see if it's greasy or if it just soaks in kind of thing. So I put a little drop here on my hand. So it does actually soak in very nicely. Not greasy really at all. I mean, it obviously here where I rubbed it in, my hand does have a little bit of, it's a little softer, I guess is what to say. It's not greasy, it's softer. So that's nice. And yeah, the smell is pleasant. It's not like a strong, like earthy smell. It's not a perfumey smell. It's just a natural smell. And very light. So, all right. Now, it looks like we have one more item, and it is a tote bag. It says, for the times you do have a bunch to carry, enjoy a tote bag too. Wear your mom badge loud and proud with this exclusive bag from Boxy Momma, made with organic cotton, printed on both sides. Plus, it's nice and thick, so you can carry all of the mom things. You know what I'm talking about. And it's $19. So let's get this out and see. It does feel very nice, and like I said, it's a nice canvas tote. Yes. Proud member of the Tired Moms Club. And it is a very good size, you can see here. And it is very nice and thick canvas. Or it says organic cotton. Love it. will use it so much. So I am loving this. I think for the shop till you drop theme, this is definitely on point. We have a tote when we have quite a few things. We have the wristlet when we, to carry our payment method and our mask. We have our mug with the perfect saying on it. We have this very nice facial serum that, like I said, my hand feels so soft and it's not greasy at all, which I really, really appreciate. And then we got the translucent powder and the kabuki brush so that we look flawless when we're shopping till we drop. So, I loved this box. That's not unusual. I always love this box. I will put a link down below in the description box if you want to check out Boxy Momma. Like I said, she's got the box, the shirt, and then the box and the shirt. So you've got a couple different ways you can go about getting the subscription. I think it's fantastic. And this would be the type of quotes, things like this are what you can expect to see, like I said, on the shirt, because the first one, like I said, was laundry today or naked tomorrow. So they're going to be fun, sassy, not like, I don't think anything on the shirt is going to be sweary. So let me know what you guys thought of this box. I absolutely loved it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. I love y'all. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.